There are some animals in the wild that have exceptional lifespans. While humans occasionally touch the 100 mark, for these animals living well past 100 is a norm. Here we list 10 animals that are known for living over 100 years or beyond 100 years. Giant tortoise. These iconic tortoises found in the Galapagos Islands have been known to live well beyond 100 years. The oldest recorded tortoise was estimated to be around 152 years old. Bowhead whale. Numerous sea animals also live well over 100. One of them being bowhead whales. They are one of longest living mammals on earth, with some individuals reaching beyond 200 years old. Koi fishes. These prized Japanese fishes are famous for their beautiful white orange color, size and lifespan. With proper care, they can live for more than a century, and the oldest koi on record lived to be 226 years old. Ocean quahoe. These large clams found in the North Atlantic Ocean are among the longest lived animals on the planet. Some of them have been found to exceed 170 years in age. Greenland shark. Living in the cold waters of the North Atlantic, Greenland sharks are known for their slow growth and longevity. Some Greenland sharks have been estimated to be over 400 years old. Aldabra giant tortoise. With their ever so slow gait and slow life, the Aldabra giant tortoise can live for more than a century. The oldest known Aldabra tortoise lived to be 255 years old and was a part of Calcutta Zoo. Red Sea urchin. These spiny creatures found in the Pacific Ocean have a remarkable ability to regenerate and can live for over 200 years. They are often found in rocky coastal areas. Rogue rockfish. This deep sea fish found in the northeastern Pacific Ocean is known for its slow growth and longevity. Some species of this fish have been found to be aged at over 200 years old. Lobsters. While this might seem shocking, certain species of lobsters, such as American lobster, have the potential to live for well over 100 years. When not in captivity or fish to cook, lobsters can live well beyond 100 years. Macaw. These colorful parrots are not only known for their intelligence but also for their long lifespans. Some species of macaws can live for more than 100 years with proper care, and if they are in their natural habitat, the extended life comes as a plus.